Tesla Model S, Model X, Model 3 and Y. That's what we've got on the market so far. But for many people, they're unreachable cars because of their price point. Will Model 2 solve this problem? That's what we'll find out today in this video. Hello everyone, my name is Max and you're watching Teslapedia. Tesla Model S is well recognizable, you see it almost everywhere. Model X was designed as a crossover and has plenty of space inside of the car. Tesla Model 3 offers many functionalities of Model S with not many expensive design decisions. It comes with the less options like lack of air suspension. But it still offers pretty significant updates of software and hardware, new interior materials, new design realizations, and new type and capacity of battery. The price point for Model 3 noticeably dropped by about 5% over a 3-year period of time. But is it enough for non-electric fans to consider purchasing a new car? When we look at the sales of Model 3, we can clearly see year by year how Model 3 twice outsell the overall sales of BMW Series 2, 3 and 4, as well as Mercedes, Lexus and many other sales in the US. It just proves that the market is more than ready to buy a car at this particular price point. So Model 2 has to compile and exceed existing Tesla cars and bring unique technologies with the price point starting from $25,000. It could not only revolutionize the EV market, but also will change the way that EV cars are made. As Model 2 comes to the market, Tesla factory in China is one of the first steps on the way. Here is why Tesla's plan will work and Model 2 will be on the market soon. The main goal of producing Tesla Model 2 is to reduce the cost of production and the cost of the car itself. By the way, that is just my opinion, but I think all these plans might be possible only on Chinese soil by 2022. Because there is no doubt that China is located in a unique location. It has access to all kinds of unique minerals from China itself and nearby countries. This dramatically influenced the cost of production. That was a crucial reason to build Tesla's new factory in China. Elon Musk indirectly confirmed it in his interview.
Possibly in Europe it would make sense to do, I guess, a compact car, so perhaps a hatchback or something like that. And something that, what do most people want?
After the battery day event from Tesla, where they revealed the newest technologies and productions of batteries, we might expect a significant reduction of the final price, which very likely might be at $20,000. But here's the problem. The current trend is shifting from compact cars to the crossovers or SUVs, which might make this very challenging for Tesla, because that will cover a very specific market, and offering Model 2 compact cars will go in the opposite direction of the trend. We can assume that Tesla might have more far-reaching plans than just Model 2, and we can expect more spacious cars which will cover trending demands. That's why Tesla Model 2 could be an intermediate version. Currently, Tesla is focusing on the building a research and design center to test new upcoming compact car. Tesla Model 3 and Y based on the same platform, which is Tesla might keep for upcoming Model 2. There were a few leaks where Elon Musk revealed the process of building Model Y frames, which are currently produced with a single piece. That means the Model 2 very likely inherit this technology of production. Battery technology seems to play a major role in developing a new Model 2. Since the battery price is about 30% of whole car price, it's not surprising that Tesla put so much effort more than anything else into the research and development of it. Most recently, Tesla's fans have been divided into two groups of people, one who really like the design of Tesla truck and another one who can't agree with Tesla at all. The Tesla truck will obviously cover the demands of the market, where there are currently fewer competitors and high demands in the US. Even though the price point might be about $20,000 for Model 2, which will start their sales in the US and China first. And it could be the first time in the history when Chinese customers will receive it about the same time as US customers. Like the Tesla truck, which will come to the low competition market. Unlike Model 2 will enter the high competition field. While we see a very quickly growing market in China with compact electric cars. Honestly, Tesla has a pretty big chance to beat all of them with a single version of Model 2. By offering plenty of functionality, with very high quality production, and a new battery chemistry for about the same price as the presented cars on the Chinese market. By launching production of Model 2, Tesla might even change the way the world lives. Let's imagine when the car is in an equal price with the gasoline car competition. Potential buyers will have huge advantage if they pick an electric version of the car, because from day one from purchase they will start saving money on everyday driving. Many taxi drivers will definitely pick Tesla Model 2 for its durability and practically for everyday rides. We can easily predict that there will be tremendous pre-orders, far overselling even Model 3. Will Tesla Model 2 have the same platform as Model 3 and the Autopilot functionality? I believe so, and here are the reasons why. First of all, new battery technologies will provide high capacity with more compact packaging, which only means that Tesla won't limit it on purpose. So we expect pretty much the same range on the full charge battery as currently in Model 3. I believe that the weight on the final battery pack for Model 2 will play a huge role in the performance and driving comfort, because it will deliver the same amount of energy with a lot less weight, which will add about 20 to 30% of performance. I also believe that Autopilot, starting from Tesla Model 2, will become subscription-based only. That's a very logical way to go for Tesla, which will be beneficial for both customers and for the company itself. Since Model 2 has never been presented yet, the final design is unknown, but there are many render pictures out there. Some of them are based on the leaks from Elon Musk's official speeches. So while we are waiting for the official presentation of Tesla Model 2, it's time to reconsider subscribing to this channel, because we are talking here only about Tesla. Thank you for watching this video.